top of the line for you. Start out with a little stair climb. Maybe you have an overdue library book, you need to take that. Nice soft suspension and best in class clearance make nice and easy work of it. You get a 3.6 liter Pentastar V6 under the hood. Your choice, manual or automatic transmission, and they are solid axle, not independent suspension, so we don't do the teeter-totter like the Grand Cherokee. Our tires never leave the ramp. Keep them on the dirt where they do you so good.
Yep.
Even rated for up to 30 inches, 2.5 feet of water. All kinds of great new gadgets. My favorite's the new forward-facing trail cam. It's like having your own personal spotter on board.
Nice.
Of course, running down the trails all day long, eventually you're going to cover that in dust and dirt and mud. So you reach over, hit the clean camera button, and wash it back off.
Nice.
Thought of everything. Even give you a whole bank of switches with absolutely nothing attached.
Excellent.
Go ahead and add the lights, add the winch, add the accessories. Now you have somewhere to put them. Roof comes off, doors come off, windshield folds down, just like the Wranglers. They sew the airbags into the sides of the chairs. That way you're still protected and everything in here is waterproof. Don't worry about getting caught in the rain. There's drain holes in the floorboards for you. You even have to pull a little rubber plug and it'll rinse right out. It starts you out in the mid 30,000s, but we show the good stuff. This one prices out about 61,000 as equipped.
Wow.
Yowzer. Sorry.
Oh, quite a few upgrades over the stock model.
Yeah.
And a little side hill to show how stable they are.
Nice.
Take you to the most beautiful places you don't even know exist yet and haul a load of plywood while you do it. Sounds to me like it's time to start an off-grid cabin somewhere. Or like the name says.
Watching me on Facebook probably bought it.
Yeah, it's like the name says. Just explore exotic places, right?
Yes.
Well, thanks for joining me. Have a great time out there.